Hey y'all, it's Jonathan with Southern Drone Ops. It is hotter than the devil's nether regions out here today. It's gonna be super quick today. I have my best helper, Mr. Dino Bambito here.
He is Dean.
Dean, well, see, he likes to be called Dean. Gonna do a few things today. We are also obviously building our trailers now. We are picking up some freshwater containers, 500 and 600 gallons. We're gonna show you those being unloaded. This is our new shop. We have two now. We had our one that we had out in the country. That field, or excuse me, shed was kind of my she shed, but it was older than Methuselah. I mean, it was rough. It was old, but it did its purpose. It was in the middle of nowhere. I could fly, do whatever I needed with it, do all kinds of things out there, show people the thermal, the spray, everything we needed out there. I still have access to it. I still have a ton of demos lined up with it. So if you want to see them in action, you actually want to come spend some time with us in the field, you have to have a CAT license with us and see a little bit done. That's something that we can work with. So let us know what you want to do and what your business plan looks like. That's where I said we shine at, is we assist you complete from start to the finish, and we're going to guide you with the best possible step every step of the way, from Jonathan Ruprecht, our aviation attorney, to our dealership, service after the sale. We're going to support education, field education as well, every other thing that you need possible. Plus you've got us for 12 months to ask questions. So y'all follow me, let's see what we got. Open sesame! Ooh, that feels better. It's not quite as hot as the devil's nether regions, but it's a little bit warmer. So this is where we are going to start out with. We're going to have our main truck, Pineapple Express, here. We have our generators. You guys all know how rough generators can be. You have to have a certain hertz and wattage and everything else. We've got it locked down perfectly, so we know what you need. We can even expand out to where if you want to run 2 or 3 drones, they have past that now to where you can do night spraying, you can do swarming. I don't have enough data on the swarming to report back to confidently tell you, yes, you can do this. So continue to follow our content, and we should have as many answers possible for you. This is our apprenticeship. I told you guys that I took on a youth apprenticeship for the summer. These are all seniors. I'm trying to funnel youth back into agriculture because people think that agriculture is an old man sport, that they're out in the field digging shovels and doing all kinds of stuff, or they think that they're rich and they just ride around in all brand new trucks and stuff like that. No, it can be some really hard work, and there's a lot of different areas to it. So I wanted to show the youth that there's a lot of different things that we can do. So this is my way of giving back to the community. I was asked by the Northeast Arkansas Technical Center how I could properly prep their youth to get into agriculture, especially using drones. So with my summer apprenticeship, that's not just gonna be the summer, it's probably gonna be a year. I'm gonna take them through, I'm gonna pay for their 107. Once they turn 18, I'll pay for them to get their chemical licensing. I will provide all the on-job, on-field education, take care of them every way possible. They get merchandise, they get all the protective clothing, they get everything that they're gonna need. Grayson was our first pilot, and now Grayson has his own team. He's 20 and doing extremely well. So if this is something that you think your child would benefit from, or if this is something you're wanting to add into your farm, add into your business, or make a commercial business yourself, hey, this is a great thing to get into. It is never too late. I turn down 2 to 5 jobs a week minimum, just because I can't get to them, and that's with 2 full-time running teams. So anyway, starting here, we've got Clark, we've got Aiden, we've got Gavin, we've got Drake, and then we've got our, oh, that's Dean. I don't know Dean, that's Dean. Oh yeah, did they not know you?
No, they don't.
Okay, all right. So this is our M30T. This is something that we don't really need today. I just kind of had out. We were cleaning up the shop, getting it all ready. We still have Ty Callahan that's got to pick his drone up. Ty, we haven't taken yours apart. We just had to move the box a little bit. And then this is my Yamaha TTR 125. But guys, this is my new baby. This is a E-Ride Pro 2.0 19-inch SS. This thing will do wheelies. It's all electric. It is crazy. It's my favorite bike. I'm probably going to get another one. If they make a more powerful one, I'll probably get it too. Got everything else moved in here. Ignore the mess otherwise. Got us a T50, T40, T30 generators. Follow me. Trusty old printer that's not hooked up yet. We've got my beautiful baby children. This is Coltrane, as you guys have all known, and this was my salt water taffy candy that is now theirs. So that's great.
You said we can eat it, so.
I said you could eat it, not have it all. So this is Macy Tom. Mason Thomas, excuse me. He's 15. He's almost 16. October 29th. This is also going to be our podcast room now. Caleb is setting up the lights, the echo. Probably going to change that out. Got us a little window here. This is going to be our office. Have this covered up. This is going to be cleaned off. This is where our office manager is going to work out of and do all of our invoicing, answer phone calls, take care of everything here. We've got us a little cut-through window here that Dean is very proud of. But guys, yep, we got a little hideaway. But guys, thanks for coming with us. Thanks for going through this walkthrough. Like I said, this is our second location. We're extremely excited. We have a lot of really great things coming. We did the DoD contract. I don't know if you guys saw that news article on KIT. That went great. We're hoping to have that unit on Washington, D.C. steps this fall, so it's going to be phenomenal. I think we're doing some amazing projects that are going to benefit the environment, they're going to benefit farmers, they're going to benefit so many people. So anyway, otherwise guys, like I said, please just follow all of our socials, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Give us a like, follow, send us messages, comments. We'll answer them the best we can, and we will get you all fixed up. Thanks guys.